next ka. Okay, next kha. Kha se खरगोश. Okay. Shravan, come on, say the next picture. Kha se. Yeah, namaste ma. Kha se. This one. Katmal, louder ma. Kha se, what is this?
Karbuja.
Very good. Next one. Ga. Come on, Satvik, say. Ga say. Ga say.
Gada.
Gada. Then ga say.
Kamala.
Gamla. Ga say.
Gaj.
Very good. Next, this ga. Dayanand. Ga
Yes.
say. Ga say. Gar. Very good. Ga say. Ga say. Gadi. Ga say. Gada. Ga say gun. Ga say घड़ियाल. घड़ियाल. Okay. Next will be hung. Okay. Next one. Come on, repeat, children. Cha se chatai. Cha se chatai. Cha se चम्मच. Cha se चप्पल. Cha se चक्की. Cha se चरखा. Okay. Next cha. Cha se छतरी. Cha se छलनी. Cha se छड़. Cha se छड़ी. Cha se छत. Yeah, ma, namaste, Gritvik. Next is ja. Ja se जहाज. Ja से जवान. Ja से जलेबी. Ja से जग. Ja से जड, root. Okay. Next ja. Point out the pictures in your book, children. Come on, don't unmute but repeat after ma'am. Ja से झरोका. झ से झरना. Next is nya. Okay. Next is ta. ट से टमटम. ट से टमाटर. ट से टब. ट से टहनी, branch. Okay. Next, second t, this t. T से tug, robber. T से टप्पा, stamp. ह से ठहर, stop. ह से हठेरा, coppersmith or tinsmith. Next is d. D. D से duck. D से डमरू. Repeat after ma'am, children. Don't unmute, but you can repeat after ma'am. I can't see anyone repeating after ma'am. D से duck. D से डमरू. D से डफली. ड से डलिया, ड से डगर. Next ड. Arjun, repeat after ma'am. Unmute yourself and repeat after ma'am. ड, ड. ड से ढक्कन, ड से ढलान. Very good. Next is न. Satvik, न. न से बाण,
न से बाण,
न से रावण. फन.
फन.
Next is न से तृण. Very good. Okay, next we are going to go to the third page. Take the third page to me. त से तराजू, त से तराजू. त से तबला. Arjun, are you repeating Arjun? त से तलवार, त से तकिया, त से तरबूज. Okay, next थ. थ से थर्मस, थ से थर्मामीटर.
नमस्ते मैम.
Yeah, namaste Navin. Next is द. द से दवात, इंक. द से दमकल, फायर ब्रिगेड. द से दर्जी, स्टिच. सॉरी, टेलर. द से दरवाजा, डोर. द से 10, 10. नेक्स्ट ध. ध से धनुष, बो. ध से धनिया, कोरिएंडर. ध से धन, वेल्थ. ध से धड़, टॉर्जो. नेक्स्ट इज न. न से नदी, रिवर.
नमस्ते मैम.
न से नल, टैप. नमस्ते मारयन. न से नयन, आई. न से नट, न से नथ, nose ring. Okay, got it children? Okay, now we'll have a recap of our rhyme. Anyone who knows that rhyme? Chidiya rhyme. Last week we learnt, no, Chidiya rhyme. Anyone knows? Take the rhymes page. Page number is 66. 66 page number. Yeah. Chi chur chur karti chidiya, fur 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 उड़ती चिड़िया, फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Okay, one more time. One more time. ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया, फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया, फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. जगाती is waking up. Okay, one more time. ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया, फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया, फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Anyone can sing this rhyme? Only 4 lines. Come on, anyone? ची ची चुर चुर करती चिड़िया, फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया, फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Who knows? Satvik will sing.
Yes.
Come on, sing.
Chee chee choo choo. Kaniya chidiya. Katti chidiya. Pur 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 pur.
उड़ती
Chidiya.
चिड़िया. हम्म.
Padak
फुदक
padak.
फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे
मुझे
मुझे
जगा.
जगाती. Very good, Satvik. Very well tried. Very good. Arjun, can you sing? Arjun. Hmm. करती चिड़िया, फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया. Hmm. Hmm. Very good, Arjun. Grithik will sing. Grithik will sing.
No, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, listen and then you can sing. Ryan. Ryan will sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more time we'll have a small recap. Yes? Come on,
Yes.
sing after ma'am. Chin chin churu churu karti chidiya.
ची ची चुर 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 करती चिड़िया.
फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया.
फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया.
फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती,
खुदक खुदक गाना गाती,
रोज सवेरे
रोज वाले
मुझे जगाती.
मुझे गाती.
Very good. Now Grithik is going to sing after ma'am.
Okay,
Yes?
ma'am.
Chin chin churu churu karti chidiya.
I don't know new rhyme.
You have to repeat after ma'am. Come on, repeat after ma'am.
మేడం తో చెప్పు.
Okay, ma'am.
Chin chin churu churu karti chidiya.
ची ची चुर चुर
करती चिड़िया.
या
फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया.
फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया.
फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती,
उधर उधर
कर गाना गाती,
आते
रोज सवेरे
रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती.
जगाती. Very good. That's it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
चीन चीन चुर चुर करती चिड़िया, फुर 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 उड़ती चिड़िया, फुदक फुदक कर गाना गाती, रोज सवेरे मुझे जगाती. Okay. Next class I'm going to ask everyone to be ready to sing the rhyme. Okay. Now I want you to take page number 1 minute. The same book, Animals, Janvaram. Paltu Pashu. This one, page number is 60. Paltu Pashu means farm animals. Farm animals or domestic animals. And then Jangli Pashu is wild animals. You all know what is farm animal and what is wild animal and all, right? So, Paltu Pashu, this one. Farm animal and domestic animals. Jangli Pashu means wild animals. Okay? First we are going to learn this. Paltu Pashu. Okay? Okay. Now the first is, what is this? What do you say it in English?
Goda.
Goda. Okay, Goda, horse. Goda, horse. Next is band. This one, band. Buffalo. Band, buffalo. Guy,
Hi, ma'am.
cow. Yeah, very good, ma. Guy, cow. Okay. And then what is this? Anyone knows? Kutta, dog. Kutta, dog. Bell, ox. Bell, ox. Bakri, goat. Bakri, goat. Gada, donkey. We already know Gada is donkey. Gada, donkey. Bhed, sheep. Bhed, sheep. Suar, suar. Pig, suar. Pig. Oonch, camel. Oonch, camel. Khargosh, rabbit. Khargosh, rabbit. Billy, cat. Billy, cat.
Billy.
Okay, now we are going to do an activity. Okay, I want all of you to stand up. Come on. Stand up. Utho. 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 Better. Utho. Better. Utho. Better. Utho. Utho means you have to stand. Better means what you will do? Have to sit. Okay. And now I'll say upar means you have to take your hands up. Upar. Niche means down. Okay. Haath upar. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Upar. Good trick. Niche. Upar. Niche. Niche. Nivin. Upar. Niche. Upar. Upar. No one is out. Sai Charan out. Arjun. Upar. I did purposely. Upar means I put my hand down. I purposely did it, but you have to know. Upar means it is up. Okay, upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Now fast. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Niche. Upar. Upar. Very good, children. Okay. Keep standing. We'll do the actions like animals. Now we learned, right? Paltu, Pashu. Farm animals and domestic animals we learned, right? That we are going to do. Okay. What is this? If I do an action like this, what will you say? What is it? What is it? In English itself you can say. English itself you can say. What animal will do like this? What animal will do like this? Cat. Meow, meow. Cat only will do, no? So for that you are going to say Billy. Billy. Cat. Hindi as well as English, okay? Billy. I want all of you to do the action. I don't want anyone standing simply. Everyone should do. Billy. Cat. Billy. Cat. Repeat and say. Repeat after ma'am. Billy. Cat. Guy. Cow. Guy has 2 horns, right? Guy. Cow. Guy. Cow. Guy. Cow. Yes? And next one, what we are going to do? What is it? What is this? Yeah, Goda. Horse. Goda. Horse. You are riding a horse. How will you ride a horse? Like this you will ride, right? Goda. Horse. Yeah, Goda. Horse. Okay, next one. What we'll see? This one. What is it? Oont. Camel. Oont. Camel has a hump on its back like this, right? Yes? Oont. Camel. Oont. camel. Okay, oonch, camel. Okay, next one. What is this? What is this?
Rabbit.
Yeah, khargosh, rabbit. Khargosh, rabbit. Yes, khargosh, rabbit. Okay, all these action now mom is going to do. You are going to tell me the names of the animals. Okay, let me see how many of you have identified. What is it? Whoa. What is it? Yeah, very good. Gateway, guy, cow. Very good. Meow, meow, meow.
Billy.
Billy, very good. Billy, cat. Bo, 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 bo,
Dog.
bo, bo. Kutta, dog. Bo, bo. Kutta, dog. Okay. And then this one. This one.
Camel.
Yeah, very good. Oont, camel. And then this one.
Cargos.
Khargosh, rabbit. Yeah, khargosh, rabbit. Very good. And then anything we left out? Any actions? No, that's it. That's it, right? Everything we have finished. Now we'll go on to the jungly pashu. First we learnt is paltu pashu. Okay? And now we are going to learn about jungly pashu. That is the wild animals. You all will play with wild animals? खेलते हैं wild animals के साथ? Yes or no? नहीं, ऐसे नहीं खेलते. Okay, because they are very dangerous. Okay? Jungly pashu. Repeat after ma'am. Jungly pashu. Okay, and this is paltu pashu. When I ask you which is paltu pashu, you have to say it is farm animal or domestic animal. And when I ask you what is jungly pashu, you will say it as wild animal. Thereafter, I will not tell you in English. I'll just only show you the pictures and I'll ask, is it paltu ya jungly? Okay, then you have to say whether it is paltu, that is farm animal or domestic animal, or jungly, which is the wild animal. Yes? Okay, done? Everyone will do that? Okay. Now, jungly pashu shall we learn? First, what is this? What is it?
Lion.
What do you... Lion. What do you say it in Hindi? Sher. Sher. Wow. Lion. Okay? Sher. Lion. And then Balu, bear. Point it out and repeat after ma'am, children. Balu, bear. Balu, bear. Okay? And next is Bagh, tiger. Bagh, tiger. Bagh, tiger. Lomdi, fox. Lomdi, fox. Lomdi, fox. This is zebra. The same, what do you call, say it in English? The same you say it in Hindi also, zebra. And then bandar. What is bandar? Bandar. Yeah, bandar. Monkey. And then hathi. Hathi. What is hathi? Hathi. कहाँ है हाथी? Ah, elephant. Very good. Hathi, elephant. And then this is giraffe. The same you call it in Hindi also. Giraffe. English also it is giraffe. Hindi also it is giraffe. And for zebra also. English also it is zebra. And Hindi also it is zebra. And then hiran, deer. Hiran, deer. Hiran, deer. One more time. Sher, lion. Balu, bear. Bagh, tiger. Lomdi, fox. Zebra. Bandar, monkey. Giraffe. Hathi, elephant. Hiran, deer. Here. Hiran, deer. Okay, now shall we try out the actions for wild animals? Ready? Ready, all of you? Keep your book down. Sher, lion.
Lion.
Sher, lion. Okay. And then what is this? What is it? Bandar, monkey. Yeah, bandar, monkey. Okay, very good. And then what is this? Hathi, elephant. Hathi, elephant. Hathi, elephant. And then which has a long neck. What is it? Giraffe. It has a long neck. It is a giraffe. Very good. And then which is very cunning? Lomdi, fox. Lomdi, fox. Which is very cunning? Lomdi, fox. Okay, fox is very cunning, right? Lomdi. We'll do this action for Lomdi. Lomdi, fox. Okay, and then anything we left? Nothing. Zebra. Zebra, as you see the picture, you will know. Okay, and then tiger. Tiger is bag. Tiger, what action will do? I don't know any action for tiger. Only for lion I know. Tiger, what action shall we do, children? What action shall we do for tiger?
I do, ma'am.
Yeah, do it for tiger. Come on, let me see. Oh, like this, tiger. Tiger will do like this. Okay?
I don't do
Bag,
like that.
tiger. Bag, tiger.
Bag, tiger.
Yes,
I
it will
don't know
hunt
like that action,
all
ma'am.
the animals, or tiger will hunt all the animals, right? Then what it will do? It will eat those animals, right? Okay, so
Eat
bag,
all the animals,
tiger.
pet animals.
Yeah, that's it. Bag, tiger. Okay? And now, okay, come
One
on.
more thing,
Let's
ma'am.
have a recap. Yeah.
One more is left up.
Yeah,
Water
which I left out?
elephant is water elephant is left
Water
out.
elephant. Water elephant.
Yeah.
Water elephant.
Yeah.
Where is water elephant?
Show you,
Rhino
ma'am.
only is there. Genda. Right. Genda, rhino. This one.
Yeah.
Rhino. Yeah, it's Genda. I thought you will not remember. That's what I didn't teach. Okay. Any 5 or 6 animals is enough. Okay. Okay. First
Okay.
one. Wow. What is it? Sher, lion. And this is Hathi, elephant. Okay. And this is Bag, tiger. Bag, tiger. And one which has a long neck, giraffe. Okay. And the one which is very cunning, Lomdi. Lomdi, fox. Okay. And then what is this? Bandar, monkey. Bandar, monkey. Okay. Now ma'am is going to tell you the names. You are going to do the action. Ready? I'll mix both the Paltu Pashu and the Jungli Pashu. Both together I'm going to ask you. You are going to do the action. Okay? Ready for it? Yes. First is Guy. Let me see how many of you remember the action. Guy.
Go, ma'am.
Guy. Who is doing the action? Very good. This week. Guy, cow. Very good. Guy, cow. Very good. And then, sorry, I did the action. Oh, sorry. Hathi. Hathi. Hathi, elephant. Very good. Well done. And then what is this? Oonch. Oonch. What action you will do for oonch? Camel.
Camel.
What action you will do? Oont has a hump on its back, right? Oont. Camel. Okay. And then next is Goda. Goda, horse. What action you'll do? Goda, very good, Arjun. Goda, horse, good. And then Billy. Billy, what action you'll do? Billy. Billy. Okay. And then share. Share. Okay. Share. Share, what action you'll do? Huh?
Share,
Share. Yeah, very good. Share, lion. Very good. And then one which has a big neck. Okay. Giraffe. Giraffe, what action you'll do? Giraffe. Huh? Long neck. It has a long neck, right? Giraffe. Okay. And then kutta. Kutta, what action you'll do? Kutta. Kutta. Kutta, dog. What action you'll do? Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Okay. And then next is Sargosh. Sargosh, what action you'll do? What, what action you'll do? Sargosh, do the action, Nivin. Jumping action only do.
Cargo.
Khargosh. Yeah, Khargosh. Rabbit. Very good. And then, what did I leave? Everything I taught. Very good. And then this one. Bag. 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 Tiger. Very good, Nivin. Bag. Tiger. Good children. Okay. Now I want you to take your writing book. Come on, take your writing book. Last week we wrote her, right? Today we are going to write the. This page. Page number 57. The say dari. This one. Page number 57. The say dari. The say dari. Write today's date. The. The like the only children we already wrote na. Like this you wrote, right? But the you are going to bring it down like this. Okay, the you will stop like this. See here, this is the what we wrote. But the sleeping line, standing line, and you are going to bring the line down. The say davat. The say dari. The say darwaza. Like this you are going to write. The standing line, put a curve, and then again a curve inside. Come down. The.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma?
This
57, page number 57 you are going to write.
saw me.
Okay, this the 57, 57 page.
This
Yeah, that one only. The. Easy, right? Is it easy to write? The, say, duck and all we have written, no? The same way you are going to bring only the curved line down. That's it. The. Spell and write, children. The. Kumaran, is it easy to write?
I am writing, ma'am.
Shravan, are you writing Shravan?
Yes,
Finished?
ma'am. I am writing.
Write ma, write ma. Arjun, what letter you are writing, Arjun? Arjun, what letter you are writing? Arjun. Arjun, what is the letter you are writing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, can we color the mat?
Yeah, if you have finished writing, you can color. Finish writing and then you have to color.
I
Maswin,
need writing.
if you finish writing, you can color. What letter you are writing, Maswin? Hmm? The, very good. This page, you'll write it afterwards as homework.
What, ma'am?
Another page also you have, right? The.
Yeah, ma'am. I
This
writing that
page
is.
afterwards you write it as homework. Now you finish only this page. This page
I
afterwards you write.
finish. I okay, ma'am.
Hmm. How many of you have finished? Done and finished? Very good, Master Van. Well done. Good. Sai Charan finished, huh?
Yes, ma'am. I finished.
Very good, Sai Charan.
Coloring.
Yeah, good. Then who else finished? Ritvik finished? Ritvik, Ryan.
No, ma'am. I writing, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am.
Yes, Master Shravan finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Shravan.
Book lucky, ma'am.
Huh?
Book lucky.
What? What, Ma?
Hungry, ma'am.
हंग्री, भूख लग रही है। हाँ चलो 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 जाओ, यू कैन गो।
Thank you, ma'am.
या वेलकम श्रवण। शुक्रिया श्रवण।
Shukriya, ma'am.
या शुक्रिया श्रवण। Satvik finished? Wow, very